Hello everyone, let me teach you how to solve this type of chemistry question on the board. And the question reads, at 30 degrees Celsius, 1.17 gram of sodium chloride saturated 100 cm cube of water. Now the question is, what is the solubility of the salt in A, gram per dm cube, B, mole per dm cube? This is very simple. Let's solve the problem. Solution. Now, one thing you should know is this. Solubility of any salt is just the quantity of that salt, either in gram or in mole, contained in 1 dm cube of a solution at any given temperature. So indirectly, solubility simply means concentration, which can either be mass concentration or mole concentration. So let's now take the first question. We are to calculate the solubility, which is the concentration now in gram per dm cube. So this one is mass concentration. The unit of mass is gram. So what is mass concentration? Mass concentration represented as rho is equal to then mass all over volume. So that's it. Now the mass of sodium chloride given to us is equal to 1.17 gram. Now volume of water is equal to now 100 cm cube. Convert it to dm cube by dividing this 100 cm cube by 1000. So when you do that, you have this and this cancel, this and this cancel. So you have 0.1 dm cube. So that is the volume of water. That means that the mass concentration rho is equal to, then the mass is 1.17 grams all over volume. Volume is 0.1. So this will give us, this divided by this will give us, multiply this by 10 to remove this decimal point. Also multiply this by 10. And when you multiply this by 10, you have 1.7 gram then per dm cube. So this is the mass concentration, which is the first answer. Now, the second is the molar concentration. Molar concentration C is equal to number of moles all over volume. So that is the first formula. Or molar concentration is equals to mass concentration, mass conc, all over molar mass, molar mass. Since we have calculated the mass concentration, which is this, we just have to calculate the molar mass of sodium chloride and divide the mass conc by the molar mass to get our molar concentration. So the molar mass of sodium chloride is equal to, now sodium is 23 plus chlorine, the atomic mass is 35.5. So when you add the two, you're going to have 58.5 gram per mole. So that is the molar mass of sodium chloride, which means the concentration C in mole per dm cube is going to give us a mass concentration. The mass concentration is 1.7. Now all over molar mass, all over molar mass. Molar mass is 58.5. So concentration is going to be 1.7 divided by 58.5. So 1.7 divided by 58.5. That will give us 0.2 mole per dm cube, and this is the molar concentration. Thank you. Bye.